How to reset keyboard on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch the settings application on your device and then scroll down and tap on additional settings over here. So tap on additional settings and then tap on languages and input. Now as you tap on that, here you can see the option of current keyboard and manage keyboards option at the input methods category. So tap on manage keyboards and here you can see there are different keyboards right now. So make sure to toggle off all these options over here. And as I tap on toggling off, you can see the Google voice typing is the automatic or the default keyboard over here. So you can just go back and then tap on any of the search options. And as you tap on that, you'll be able to reset the keyboard on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.